I'm going to show you a trading strategy that can use machine learning to make you money from the markets. Let's get straight into the strategy. Click Indicators at the top, type in Machine. We want to add this machine learning indicator right here to our chart. Now that we have added the indicator to our charts, we can see that it is very messy with the default settings. Let's clean this up. Double-click. First things first, let's change the filter signals by section. Click the volatility option. This removes some of the noise, but we aren't finished yet. Basing these signals off a higher time frame will allow nicer trend. We are on the 5-minute chart, so the next one up is the 15-minute chart. You can see how much cleaner that is already. Let's click on Indicators again. We are going to add the simple 2EMA cloud. This one right here, this will help us as a trend filter. To improve the win rate, we are going to want to change its settings. Double-click. For this to work, we are going to change the slow EMA to 200 and the fast EMA to 50. We want to trade with the trend to increase our chance of success. You can also change the style to clean it up a bit. I've removed the buy-sell and the background. This strategy is super beginner friendly and any intermediate trader can add other indicators to increase the win rate further. But for now, let's focus on trend. When the two EMAs are green, we are only focused on long positions. That means while in an uptrend we won't be taking any sell labels. All buys are valid for entry though. For this strategy to work, we will be placing our stop loss level at the recent swing low for long trades, and the recent swing high for sells. Let me show you. As you can see, with a tight stop loss this trade wouldn't have gone well. But with good risk management, losses aren't a problem and important for learning. Straight after this we have a sell trade, but this isn't valid. Then we have a buy label that meets our entry rules. Again, we will enter on the close of the buy candle and put our stop loss at the recent swing low. For taking profit, there is a few ways you can do this. Either have a set target or 2 risk to reward, or you can exit on the next sell label, or use trailing stop to catch as much of the move as possible. Everyone has a preferred method of trading, so please pick what works for you. We will be focusing on 2 risk to reward. After that trade, we have a sell label which isn't valid again, then this buy which is. Enter the position with your stop loss below the swing and target your desired profit. Lovely trend up and take profit hit. The next valid buy would be here after that nice uptrend. Again, stop loss at the recent swing. There is also another buy signal that paints while the other is still going. Some don't like to double up on trades, but I see I as an extra confirmation on trend continuation. Both trades with 2 risk to reward would have worked out well, the first trade, but have been close if your broker has higher spreads. I personally trade with the prop firm called MyForexFunds. This have very low spreads most of the time, and it means I don't have to risk my own capital when trading. After that we have 2 smaller losses, then this trade here would have hit take profit. I am now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using Trader Edge and show you the results. Thank you for all the support on the channel recently and all the kind messages. I really want to see this channel grow this year. Okay, so these are the backtesting results so far. Pretty amazing. We gained 494% on a $100 account. And risked 2% to make 4% as it's a smaller account size, making $619. The win rate is very healthy to see on a strategy so simple, and the consistent win rate looks promising too. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then this one right here might give you some good tips to improve your own win rate when trading. Thank you.